if we went and got the girls some baby chicks? Should I be looking into this a little bit more? Yes. What's a little extra responsibility, you know? You wanna go get baby chicks?
Yeah!
Have fun. Good morning. I woke up today and said, you know what would be fun? What if we went and got the girls some baby chicks? That could be fun, right? I have a chicken lady who is referred to me by my friend, and I've never been to her house or got chicks from her because we adopted the 2 that we have from a friend. So this chicken lady seems like she knows what she's doing. She has a ton of chicks. And I just feel like we should. I feel like, why not, you know? If I could give you a real big list of why I should not be doing this, but you know what? Live life a little bit, you know what I mean? This is gonna be for the girls. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be so fun. What's a little extra responsibility, you know? So I loosely mentioned to the girls this could be happening, but they don't actually know for sure that this is happening. I'm texting the chicken lady now, and I need to figure out what time. And we need to set up everything. So I have everything that I need for the most part. I'm pretty sure. I mean, I think I do. Should I be looking into this a little bit more? Yes. But do I feel confidence in myself that I will be up all night Googling how to take care of them best that I can? Absolutely. Like, I know enough. But I feel confident in myself that I'm the best chicken mom for these chickens. Let's be honest. Guys, can we shoot for 12:30? Lunch on the way home, and you're able to take the babies straight home and put them under a red heat lamp. I might need to go to Ace Hardware. Okay. I have like the brooder plate thing. Probably need to get a different light. Okay, I need to think about this. Do you think we should go get some chickens today?
Yes!
You wanna go get baby chicks?
Yeah! Yes!
You guys have your chicken farm jammies on, so that kind of is fitting. All right, get in line for celery juice.
Yay!
Celery juice, who wants it?
Me.
Chug, chug, chug. All right, next. All right, okay, so there's a whole plan that has to go into this. Are you listening? There's a little tent set up. We're gonna put it inside the chicken coop so they're protected, okay? And then we have to put the pine straw stuff down,
Yeah.
okay, that Auntie Jade gave us. And then we have the little heat plate thing. Oh, Mimi's calling. We have the little heat plate thing, okay? And then we have their food and stuff that came. We gotta get them all set. We have to go to Ace Hardware and get the clip for the heat lamp. I have the lamp, we just need the clip. Let's tell Mimi what we're doing. Seiji, come here. Okay, so we are heading to Ace Hardware. We got breakfast on the go. Going to Ace Hardware because we have to get the red heat lamp. I have the light, I just don't have what it screws into. So I'm hoping that it can clamp somewhere on the tent that we already have. But we have to go do that really quickly and get home and then set everything up because then we have to leave and
Get our baby chicks.
get our baby chicks.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Baba.
We're going bye-byes. And then we're gonna come home,
Mommy. Mommy.
set everything up, and then leave because we have to get there at 12:30. It's 10:20 right now.
Mommy.
So it's like 45 minutes away. So yes, yeah, baby.
Baba.
You wanna go bye-byes?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let me eat my breakfast on the go and let's do this thing, girls. Okay, so you wanna name one tomato and oregano. Lamp secured. Story time. We get in the car after Ace Hardware and I couldn't find my phone, but I'm like, it's in the car somewhere. I'm not gonna be dramatic, like it's here somewhere. Get all the way home, look, no, it's not. So I call Clark and I'm like, can you go on Find My Friends and see where my phone is? Because I can't see it from my iPad. That's how I called him, was from my iPad. And he was like, yeah, it's at Ace Hardware. I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, what are the odds when we're in a hurry and stuff? So I was like, I tried calling Ace Hardware to tell them like, hey, my phone is there. Like, do you have it? Is it in the parking lot? I couldn't get it to work on my iPad for some reason. I don't know why. So Clark, thankfully, was close by and drove there. Yeah.
Help.
Help?
Yeah.
Oh, you spilled it? Okay. So anyway, he went and a homeless man found it. I apparently ran it over, so that's great. But the screen protector was the only thing that was broken, not the actual phone. thank you God. And he just asked for money to give it back. And Clark's like, I don't have my wallet, but I promise you, like, I'll bring you money. So he's gonna go bring him some money. And he did give him the phone, but he's gonna bring him money regardless. And he's gonna then bring my phone home to me. And then we can go get our baby chicks. But that was a little chaotic, my goodness. But while he is on his way here to bring me my phone, let's go ahead and get all the stuff for the chicks set up so that we can go get them, come home, and they will have everything already set up and we don't have to worry about that. So let's do it. Move this over. Just out of here. All right, let's get the trampoline out here. Okay, there we go. I think I'm gonna put them in this little area right here. All right, now I need to go to the shed and grab the tent. Let's go get the tent. I know, Chick. The chickens are yelling at me. Guys, I can't get you out right now. All right, girlies. I have to clean this out a little bit, but cleaned out. Let's see, how do we do this? Looks like it snaps into place. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, it's okay. All right, let me get some stuff to clean it out real fast. Oh, Romy's already in there. Come on, baby, let me clean it out. You guys, there's webs and everything. I'm gonna have to get like a lock because she could literally climb in here with the chickens. We didn't think this through. We're gonna have to keep a real good eye on her, aren't we?
Yeah, she could get you and the baby chick. Well, that's what we need to. Oh my gosh! There's a huge spider web up there. Yeah!
Woo! There you go. Your new place to take naps, guys. All right, here's everything that we have for them. My friend gave me a huge thing of the pine shavings, so that's covered. I got the organic chick feed and then their natural grit, chick grit. So I guess you put this, it's like literally like little like rocks, I guess. I don't know. You sprinkle that in their food, apparently. And then we have our heat lamp. I also have the heat plate that I'm going to tilt, I guess, and then plug in and they can go under that. And then last thing, their food and water dispensers. All right, I guess let's go ahead and fill these up right now. This looks pretty simple. There we go. This is the water one, right? Yeah. Okay, let's do their food. And I think I'm gonna put down a trash bag too under the pine straw. That was a recommendation so that the like part of the tent doesn't kind of like get gross, you know? So I think I'm gonna probably end up doing that. So the chicken thing. We're only gonna get like 4 or 5 chicks because, you know, some might be roosters, which we can't have roosters where we live, so I'd have to give them back to her. Some may not make it because conditions and stuff. I know that's like a common thing that can happen, unfortunately. I'm obviously gonna do my very best to keep them all alive. 6 or 7 chickens would be a good number. Okay, there's this. And then I'm gonna put some of the grit and just sprinkle it in there. Yes, baby. You wanna get out? Okay, that's done. Let's go get the pine straw so we can set up the light. All right, can you grab me the pine straw out there really fast? All right, girls, I need you to get in the car, honey, okay? Sage, go pee real quick, honey.
Grab me, Mom.
Just going for it. Just really going for it. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Water and their food in there. Get this heat lamp. All right, here is our setup. Got the lamps turned on and everything, their food and water. So hopefully we're good for when they get home. So shut this. No clue how I'm going to keep Romy out of this. I might have to put a lock on this, like a carabiner or something. And let's hope all goes well. This light actually makes me pretty nervous, especially with Romy, and it gets so hot. Like I'm like that actually just burnt me. So yeah, don't know what I'm gonna do about that because up against that fabric, that feels dangerous. Ugh, I don't know.
Hi, and welcome to Lamplighter Podcast.
These are the Phantom proof.
Because those
You saw what's in the run. And these are just some of mine that I'm growing out.
oh,
Here's the end of this year's breeding program.
so cute. Look at those. Look at them. Oh my gosh,
And then
so cute.
let's look at this. Let me see if yours look like the ones I was eating.
Yeah.
You look like there's nothing either. More than
They look like dinosaurs. I cannot.
That's what I think about the Malays. The Malays look a little T-Rex.
That's literally what it looks like.
And then this is the, you can see there's the Iron Tamani, the Indonesian birds, the black meat, black burns, black organs, flash run.
Oh, those are cute. Aw,
And then I got
so
the
cute.
Ramas right here. Huh?
How old is the oldest?
Oh, these are probably right at 3 weeks.
Okay.
Well, 2 weeks. Let me say 2 weeks.
Oh my
I
gosh.
don't know. I hatch every 3 days.
Oh, wow.
So, I mean, I have an idea, but I can't keep up.
They're so little and so cute. We're gonna have fun with these. Okay, so let's. It's okay, sister.
Okay. We're just gonna watch.
I'm so surprised you.
I think that might be okay. Just whatever you do, maybe never touch this because it'll be piping hot, okay?
I guess we can try and open it and slowly bring them inside. Okay. Okay, we need to try and put them in there, okay? Okay, good. Good job, sis.
You have to dip that in.
It's okay, just put them in there, honey.
You're supposed to do.
It's okay.
Let's take it a treat.
Here, I want you to sit down, okay? Be right here, okay? Good job.
Just that one. Waffle out.
Here, let's let Romy do one. Here, Romy, put your hands out like this. Put your hands out. Okay? Put your hands out. Okay, help me. Come on. Good job. I'm going to show them where the plate is.
Yeah.
Very, very gentle. Yeah, they might need some water. You got some new chickens, Nala.
No.
I know. Those are your new babies that you got to take care of, okay? Night-night, chickens.